From a simple piece of paper to intricate sculptures, origami has captivated minds for centuries. Let's unfold the history and artistry of this ancient craft. Origami, which means folding paper in Japanese, traces its roots back to ancient Japan. However, paper folding traditions also existed in China and Europe. Each origami creation, from the crane to the lotus, carries a symbolic meaning. The crane, for instance, is a symbol of longevity and happiness. Today, origami has evolved beyond traditional designs. Artists and scientists alike use origami principles in fields like space exploration and medical devices. The act of folding paper can be meditative. Many find solace in the repetitive motions, making origami a form of art therapy. Origami is more than just paper folding. It's a blend of history, culture, and artistry that continues to inspire and evolve.